this is definitely giving me Savannah James. It's giving me Serena Williams. It's giving me Lizzo. It's giving me everybody that is rocking blondes right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a long time, but I just be going through some things. I got a lot going on. Work, it's just a lot. It's just a lot, but I'm trying my best. Anyway, today I am giving you guys a wig that I wanted to review because I wanted to feel blonde today. This is exactly why I bust out this wig, because I said I woke up and I wanted to be blonde. So outside of this color, there's other colors in this style, but I'm gonna be talking about this Outre Perfect Hairline Jaina. I'm not too sure how you say it, but this is the wig right here. And DRFF Champagne. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about this wig. You know, some pros, some cons, but it's not a lot of cons. This is a pretty wig. Just go ahead and add her to the cart. She's beautiful. Before we get started, if you like content like this, definitely consider sticking around and give this video a thumbs up. It does help push me out to the YouTube world. Hit that subscribe button because you're gonna come back. Let's jump in. So hello again. The wig we are talking about today is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I have the style Jaina. I'm not too sure if that's how you say it, but I have the color DRFF/Champagne. It has a dark root and this beautiful blonde color. Y'all, I picked up this wig honestly because there was a trending wig back in the day called Stevie, and a lot of the girls were killing it in that blonde color, and it kind of looks similar. Y'all comment below if you remember that wig. Anyway, the hairline on this wig looks really good right out the pack. As you see, it's pre-plucked. It does come with some baby hairs. All I did to customize this wig, y'all, which I'm going to show you, is pretty much thin out those baby hairs. I didn't really tweeze it much. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond Melting Adhesive Spray and my Lace Tinting Spray. I highly recommend those scissors. I'll leave all this stuff under Wig Essentials, but this wig was really easy. All I'm doing is tinting up the lace and then I'm gonna put it on. I am using this elastic band, so you can wear this wig glueless if you want, but I like to secure my wigs a little bit, so I'm gonna be securing it. But y'all see like how this wig already is kind of melting and looking all right, so I think you can get away with wearing it glueless with like some bobby pins on the side, but I'm going to show you what I did to melt it a little bit. So I pull the wig back after it's fully matched up in the right position. I like to pull out a few tabs on the side. I use them as like anchors. I'll leave a link of a full melting synthetic wig tutorial if you need help on how to install like a synthetic wig. Y'all, it was so hot that day I had to use the fan. I was using the fan a little bit to dry that adhesive, which kind of inspired this other like short TikTok video that I made. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on my socials so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Anyway, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray and you're gonna get it a little tacky, okay? And then you're gonna place that lace right over the wig. Now I've showed this plenty of times in my videos. I love the way the Outre Perfect Hairline lace melts. Yes, it's a synthetic wig, but this wig melts, y'all. So I'm just going in sections. I'm putting adhesive, I'm drying it down, and then I'm placing that lace right over it, as opposed to like spraying it and applying it right over. I feel like that kind of eliminates residue, and then I'm just pressing that lace in there before I apply like my melting band. I'm just trying to get it nice and dry. Not too dry, because you know the melting band is going to secure the rest of the wig. So after I feel confident in both sides of how I applied it, I'm just going to go in with my melting band after the wig is somewhat dry. I want to say like 80%, and I'm just going to let it melt the rest of the way, and then I'm going to let it sit. Y'all, this part, I think I realized that I did not show you how I customized the wig for the final look. I did apply a little bit of this Ruby Kisses cream foundation to match the lace. So now I'm just showing you the steps of what I did, because I don't know what happened to that footage. I think my camera wasn't on. I also did apply some powder in that parting space, okay? And then I put a little bit of heat, and that's pretty much it that I did with this wig, and it came together really nicely. Friends, I'm back. I'm finished with this wig. I'm finished with everything. I'm finished with filming. I'm finished with pictures. This wig is cute, so let's go ahead and talk about her. So again, this wig is from Outre. It is a synthetic wig. It's from the Perfect Hairline collection, and I have the style Jaina. I'm not too sure how to say this, but I do have the color DRFF Champagne, and this is 22 inches. So I had this wig for a while, y'all, and I actually purchased every single color on the stock card. I purchased every single color. I have that pink one, I have that ombre one, but I decided to bust out with just this one. Initially, I was going to give you guys a lookbook of the wigs, but these wigs are expensive, so I might end up just putting those other wigs up on my website. But let's go ahead and talk about this one. So this one is really cute. I'm happy that I started with this color. This color is so pretty. This is definitely giving me Savannah James. It's giving me Serena Williams. It's giving me Lizzo. It's giving me everybody that is rocking blondes right now. Now, if you want to experiment with blondes, get a synthetic wig. I tell y'all that all the time. Just a few specs of this wig, and then I'm gonna jump into pros and cons. It comes in a lot of pretty colors, y'all, like vanilla blonde, ginger snap, pink, purple, orange. Like, it's a lot of beautiful colors. You also can get your natural colors. Now, like I said, this is from the Perfect Hairline collection. That means you're going to get a 13x6 lace frontal. You can part this wig wherever you like. I chose to go in with the side. At first, I was going to go in with a middle part, but I decided to go in with the side. You can style this wig. You can put her up. You can do different things. Oh. When I be starting to style wigs, y'all, all of a sudden I'm like, wow. Look at that. So you can put this wig up. Guys, I mean, if y'all been following me, you probably figured out by now that I just like to do one style and that's it. I'm kind of lazy once I set my wigs, and especially with synthetic wigs, sometimes it's hard once you put them in position. It's hard because they get tangly, but this one feels good. I don't want to do styles. I don't. But you could put this wig up. Look at that. Look how cute that is, y'all. That is so cute. But I'm not doing that. I'm not. I got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. I like these waves in here. It's some nice beach waves in here. And this wig is not really tangling like that. It has some layers in here, and I think that's why it's not tangling that much. With it being blonde, I was a little bit nervous that it was going to tangle really bad, but it's not. I think if you go on with a little bit of serum, your synthetic wig spray, you'll be okay. My fingers are kind of running through here, and I had this wig on for a few hours. The back hair is getting a little tangly, but that's synthetic wigs. You guys know how this thing works. Get you a brush to walk around with in your purse. I'll leave links on my Amazon storefront under like Shop Wig Essentials. But just walk around with a brush. That's something you have to realize when you wear these synthetic wigs. You're going to have to walk around with a little comb, a little brush to kind of comb her out as you go. But the look is here. The look is absolutely here. I love these layers. The wig is cute. She is so cute. I'm tempted to come back to you guys with the other two colors because this pink, this DRST black pink, I reviewed that in a different wig before and it hit. It absolutely hit. So I bought it in this style, and I also have that chestnut ombre. Now this wig is definitely reminding me of a wig that I have reviewed in the past. It's reminding me of Outre Freya, and I could not find that wig anywhere. So if you were obsessed with that wig the way I was, this might be her sister cousin. The layers are a little longer. I love the layers on here. I love the loose curls on here. I just like the wig. I really like this wig. It's so pretty. As much as I do like her, you guys know I resell my wigs. I haven't resold a lot of my wigs in a while, but I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. So check my link down below, Macari. I resell these wigs. I review them, I freshen them up, and I resell them to you for an affordable price. So check that link down below. If y'all like my shirt, I'll leave a link down below. If you like my lippy, I didn't do my nails today because I wanted to give my nails a break. I have been wearing a lot of press-on nails, and in between my press-on nails, just if you guys are curious, I do like to go in with a little bit of like nail strengthener. Like sometimes I do like a week off of press-on nails, like a week or two, and then I'll put my press-on nails again. So this is the Olive and June, and then I painted them too. So I think I made a short video too, but I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing, you know, with the nails. And then I put some stickers on there. You know, you don't need press-ons, y'all. Like, get some stickers and some nail polish. just if you guys are curious, because you guys do ask me this stuff and I totally forget by the time the video is done. As far as my lippy goes, it is Boss Lady. My shirt, I'm gonna leave it linked below. Everything is gonna be linked below under Shop My Look. The bangles, the lippy, everything. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. Shop My Look, link below. Oh, my eyes. My eyes are affordable too, y'all. This palette from Amazon, I featured it before and I told you guys that it's a good palette. It's like under $10 and I've been using the mess out of this palette. So I'm gonna leave it down below. This is beauty on a budget on this channel, okay? So if you have any questions, leave them below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.